Good evening to everyone. Thank you all for coming here. To cover this historic event happening tomorrow on Nelson Manikam Road. Nelson Manikam Road is identified by various assets coming on. I think one of the crown jewel is going to be the Shishya and Ampa partnership. With me on my right is Dr. Salim Thomas, the founder trustee of the King Thomas Sishya School Foundation, and to his right is Ampa Palaniappan, the correspondent of the Ampa Sishya School, and Vijay Shivaram on my left is the advisor for the Ampa Sishya. So this is a flagship project which the Ampa Group might create along with various projects we are developing on this part of this road of Nelson Road. So I think more of one school. I think we have already shared a press note. This school is going to be this year is going to be from pre-KG to English for all sections. This is what I have. Short note. Detailed note is available on the press conference or on the press note. And I will request Dr. Salim to say a few words.
Sishya Adyar is a 52-year-old school. It was started by my father back in 1971. I've been looking after the school for the last 30 odd years. ICSE was not a very popular exam board experience, but following various issues in local examination boards, both CBSE and ICSE have become very popular. There are many of the old schools that started ICSE, for Shepherd, Kilpauk, St. Patrick, St. Michael, all have now got ICSE. And we were pressure of admission on Adyar campus is too much. So about 15 years ago, we started with another trust, Sishya Adyar. And that is now as big a school as Sishya Adyar. And following that success, we decided that since the last few years, metro rail and traffic congestion, what is the school doing? Early and spacious. And I'm sure we executed as successful as Sishya Adyar and Sishya Adyar.
Thank you, Doctor. No regret.
So the vision of this school is to make sure all children get a chance to aspire and excel in this ever-changing world. The vision of the school is to make every student aspire and excel in an ever-changing world. So we are going to give them all opportunities and the right education that is necessary to prove themselves. So we've tied up with the Sishya Group, get the correct curriculum, academics and syllabus that our children need, and for the growth that we plan for the school. Here we have with us grades from pre-KG to grade 12. This year we are operating up to grade 3. We will be adding grade 4, grade 5 the following year, and we will make this a full school in the next few years to come. From art studio to music studio, all labs, physics, chemistry, biology, a huge library. We also have a play area on the lower level for the younger kids and on a larger play area for the older kids as well, including football, basketball and open play area for the older kids. Apart from that, all the spaces here are very airy, very roomy. There's a lot of cross ventilation. We've done a green building and We use the best materials to make it as comfortable as possible for the children. Being an inside city school, we've tried to get this as pleasant as possible so that the children can stay in the school environment for an extended period of time. School is like a second home for the child, so they need to be very comfortable. So we've gone with very earthy materials used in the construction. Right?
Thank you.
So, 15 years back, I was a teacher in Sishya. After that, 15 years back, I requested me to start Sishya OMR. So, I had hands-on experience there. So, starting Ampa now, 15 years after Sishya OMR, does come a little easier. And talking about the ICSE curriculum, Sishya is one of, as Dr. mentioned, one of the biggest schools following ICSE curriculum. So, they have it down pat, they know exactly what is to be done. So we get the curriculum everything from Sishya and we have it replicate it here. We do employ new teachers here, but all the teachers are being sent to Sishya Adyar for extensive training. And the training will be ongoing. It's not just the initial phase. We will be continuing to get trained with the Sishya Adyar. Most of what they do here is being replicated here. Of course, with the infrastructure changes, we might have to take it. ICSE is a nice child-friendly curriculum. Very old, but of course they keep updating themselves. And right now they're using very activity-based and very child-friendly. And it also gives the school the leeway to choose the textbooks that you want and form your own curriculum and customize it whatever that child's need is. So it's a very it's a board that is very supportive of the school. So and Sishya is dealing with them for years now. I think it really seems saving for this school also to go ahead and follow this. Yes.
Thank you. I think to add to it, I was student of an ICSE board. I finished my schooling in 1982 from an ICSE board. So I think I know the benefits of ICSE. I think Madhurmai being a mother of young children, I think she knows how to administer the school from a parent point of view and with the guidance of Viji and Dr. Salim, teaching point of view. Also, I think we have a very, very strong team. It's going to be, we have, I think, for the 6 sections, I think we have close to about 30 teachers. 30 teachers already on board at this point in time for the 6 sections. So we have a very good student teacher ratio being maintained here. So Tamil Nadu, I can probably add